sorry, I gotta follow
So
the
can you
rules.
end the ride then?
Try to go by ratings, right?
Can I try to hurry, please?
Can you put up the window?
The way this is all rammed up on the side, you talking about the stroller?
Excuse me?
And you seem like a sensitive snowflake.
Sexy. Oh, hey there. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Will and this is an episode of The Best Humans of New York, a series of me providing disappointing service to the city's most entitled. Before we get started, I wanted to give a really quick shout out to my man Dustin is Driving. He gives awesome tips and tricks to drivers and the latest updates on what's happening in the rideshare and gig economy world. Go check his channel out.
Yes. Hello. It's okay.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
That's good. You're welcome.
Do you know how to restrain it? The car seat. Does it come with a latch to attach to the back seat, or do you?
Oh, I have to have the base. I don't have the base.
You don't have the base with you?
No.
Then I can't take you.
Really?
Yeah, it has to lock onto the car.
Oh my god. I never had that issue before.
I'm sorry.
Oh Jesus Christ. I'm just coming from the doctor's office and just have to pick up medication. So what do I do?
I don't know. I'm sorry, miss. Like, what if, God forbid, I have to stop short, or if someone hits us, you know, it could be very dangerous.
So like you can't. I never had this problem because he's locked in, and I normally just hold on to the seat.
What do you mean locked in?
He's locked. He's latched in.
Yeah, but the car seat needs to be locked onto the car.
So basically, what are you trying to say to me? Like, if I'm trying to have to walk with the base? I can't walk with the base.
I'm sorry, I gotta follow
So
the
can you
rules.
end the ride then?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my God, the baby is in, and I just need to take my child home. Like, I've never seen this before. I swear. Like, come on, this is a mess.
I'm sorry, miss. I'm trying to follow the law.
I've never seen this before. Open the door.
It's open. Try pushing it open. There you go.
Take care.
This lady gave me a 1 star because I didn't want a flying projectile in my car in case of an accident. Excellent parenting. Thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on Twitch if you're into gaming because I stream Modern Warfare on Mondays and Wednesdays 7 to 9 p.m., which includes tonight.